The 7-Pace Time Tracker panel integrates directly into your Jira Work item view, providing a centralized hub for time management and project insights. Use the Add Time button to manually log work. This opens a dialog where you can specify the duration, date, and comments, or use quick select buttons for standard time increments. The Insights section offers immediate data on effort. The total field displays the cumulative hours recorded on this specific task, including all time rolled up from lower-level subtasks. The Exceeded metric identifies hours that have surpassed the original estimation, while Pace on Story Points calculates the current rate of work once story points are assigned. In the Time by Users section, you can see a breakdown of effort by team member. Each row shows a user's total contribution. Clicking a row provides a detailed audit of their individual worklogs. The Time on Items section visualizes the work breakdown structure. It displays the current task and its immediate children, showing exactly how much time is attributed to each specific item. If an item has deeper nested levels, an information icon appears. The number next to it indicates how many lower-level tasks are contributing to that row's rolled-up total, ensuring visibility into the entire project depth. For advanced filtering, grouping, or exporting, use the link at the bottom of the panel to open these records in the full Times Explorer view. These integrated tools allow you to monitor capacity and track progress without leaving your Jira workflow.